How to contact support in Asphalt 8. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're experiencing issues with Asphalt 8 such as a lost progress, purchase problems, crashes or account issues, you can contact the Gameloft customer care directly. First of all, launch open the Asphalt 8 game, and once you're inside the lobby, go to the upper right corner and tap the gear icon. Once you're inside this page, click on Customer Care. On the next page, you will see different articles displayed on the page. Browse the help article for any kind of a problem that has been addressed over here that you're facing. If you want to directly contact the support team, tap on Chat with us at the bottom. Now on the next page, you can describe your issue and submit your support request. Go ahead and enter your message in the text box at the bottom and send it to them. You can describe your issue and submit your request, and once you do that, you'll be able to contact the support team. Follow through the on-screen instructions, and you may go ahead and mention any kind of an issue you are facing during the gameplay. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.